we will have a small game, unique process to understand the listening we have and how we miss listening. Now let's enter into this small game. You will form as a group, 10 people. At least 10 people as one group. Please form a group. 10 people at least as one group. Not less than 10. All the leaders, please pick up your paper and pen. Listen. Please listen. All the leaders, listen. Leaders, first listen here. You should write down 3 statements. Each statement should have 7 words minimum. It can be anything from my teachings or any common statement, anything. But the statement should have at least 7 words. You cannot write life is bliss because it is only 3 words. 7 words, one statement. Like that 3 statement, please write down. Don't show to others, you just write down. Write 3 statements. No, you will not discuss with anybody. Only you have to write, nobody else should know what you have written. Don't show. Don't show to others or don't tell others. Not loud, very mildly, you will tell one statement in the ear of the next person. He will utter to the next person. No question of repeating. If somebody doesn't listen and asks, only, that's all. Let that statement go round and come back. What comes back, pen down directly, straight to that. For example, you might have sent a statement, life is heaven. It may come back as hell is life and write down. Whatever comes back, write next to that statement. Then again send a second statement. What comes back, pen down the second. Then send the third statement. All of you are clear about the rules of the game? Ready to play? Please listen here. Listen here. No, you will not give instruction. Only I will give instructions from here. Listen here. You will only utter once the statement in the ear of the person, almost like giving initiation. Then he will utter to the next ears. It will go round. Shall we start the game? Yes. Everyone is ready? Third team, last team, your team is ready? Start the game. Come on. Read out both. Go ahead.
First one was, I am glad I have come to inner awakening. It came back as, I am glad to come to inner awakening.
Oh God.
Hearing and cognizing is listening, says Swamiji. Hearing and cognizing is the most important teacher of Swamiji. The city of Haridwar is the headquarters of Hinduism. City of Haridwar is state of Hinduism.
How many of you now understand? After teaching about listening 1 hour, after listening about listening for 1 hour, this is what is our listening. How many of you cognize this? Come on. Go ahead.
Yeah, these sentences are in Hindi basically.
Yes, go ahead.
Translate both.
Yes. No, you read out in Hindi, that's enough.
The first one is हरिद्वार हिंदुओं की अकेली भूमि है जहाँ किसी और धर्म का मंदिर नहीं है. And what I got back is I didn't get it. मैं समझा नहीं.
Next statement.
The next statement is यह प्रोग्राम सुनने मात्र से आरंभ हो जाता है. And what I got back is जो शुरू होता है वहीं से खत्म होता है. The third one is हमें सुनते समय अपने किसी भी पूर्व विचार को दिमाग में नहीं आने देना चाहिए. What I got is आपके मन में कोई विचार नहीं आना चाहिए.
So now all of you understood? Please be seated. Please understand. So essence of this game, this session is you will be able to listen only when there is nothing stands in between the speaker and your listening. If there is an incompletion standing between you and the speaker and your listening doesn't happen. So the first step, now how many of you cognize that our listening is very poor? We have to develop authentic listening. I am afraid when people go out and tell, this is what I learned from IA. You understand? Because this is what they heard, not I taught. They should tell, this is what I heard, not this is what Swamiji taught. For authentic listening, you will have to just completely imbibe without any incompletions in your head. How to do that, we will see from next sessions. From next sessions, completing all the incompletions. See, the whole Inner Awakening level 1 is giving you experiential initiation of completion with yourself. The IA level 2, completion with yourself and the life, with others and everything in your life. IA level 3, creation of your reality and others' reality. Creating the reality as you want for yourself and the people around you. So let's start. The first step, completion. How many of you realize that you have missed so much in the life because of non-listening? By not listening, we miss so much in life. Let's not do that anymore. Many times our fight is because of non-listening. We fight with others because we have concluded before even we listened. Before even we listened, what we have done? Hey! We have come to the conclusion.